Hey guys, welcome to Couch Potato Get Fit, and today we will be doing the perfect fat burning workout. So I want you guys to get tapped in, get locked in. We're gonna have a good one today, all right? So first we're actually gonna start off with kettlebell swings. So we're gonna do this for 15 reps. Now remember, I'd rather you get the perfect form than anything, okay? Keep your arms straight. Great work, guys, great work. Also, if you're trying to learn how to do any exercises, we have an exercise portion on our Couch Potato Fit app, which is available in the Apple App Store and in the Google Play Store to help break down any type of exercises that you might have questions on or might be wondering how to do as well. But we want you to always have the perfect form. Never sacrifice your form for more weight. Ten-second break, and we'll jump right back into it, all right? Right. Let's get it going. Great work, guys, great work. Now, we're gonna go right into body weight squats, 15 reps. Now, guys, make sure you're driving through the heels, the back of your heels. When you're coming up, keeping your head up, eyes up, chest up as well. All right, let's jump right back into a body weight squat. Good work, guys. Good work. I'm gonna jump right back into it. This last set of body weight squats. Let's go. Good work. Now guys, I do like to throw in a little lower body and upper body, so that way we maintaining our balance as well, and also getting a good workout up top and on your lower body as well. So this next exercise we're gonna do 15 push-ups, okay? actually working on pushing motion, and then later on in this workout, we're gonna be working on a pulling motion as well. So there's a lot of misconception on push-ups when it comes to women as well. Women think they're gonna get bulky if they bench press or if they do push-ups, which is a myth. So that's not necessarily gonna happen. You're not gonna come out looking like Hulk Hogan. So it allows your chest to, become more perky in a sense, okay? So let's jump right back into it. Next set of push-ups. Let's go. Great work, guys, great work. Now, like I said, you always want to maintain balance, muscular balance, and get rid of any muscular imbalances that you might have going on in your body. So you might see me throwing a lot of single arm or single leg isolations in many of the different workouts that we do. So stay locked in, stay tapped in. Let's get this last set of push-ups in, all right? Next exercise we're going to do is called thrusters. So you can do it with dumbbells, light to moderate weight, nothing crazy. So, or you can do it with kettlebells. I'm going to do mine with kettlebells, and for those who have dumbbells, you can do it with dumbbells. Or you can do it with no weight at all. But just still go through the motions, focus on your technique, and then we'll be good, all right? So this is my first rep. We have 10 reps of thrusters. My position. There you go. So we're getting a mixture of your lower body, working your lower body, and we're working your shoulders as well. So we're going to ahead and get a 10-second break. We'll jump right back into it, all right? You guys are doing great. Excellent work, guys. So what I want to say is never sacrifice your form for weight. Always get your form as perfect as possible, because that's where you're going to get the most gains out of anything you're doing. Let's say if you're lifting heavy weight and your form is all over the place, how are you really gaining? So you want to keep the form in place while we're working out, okay? So don't sacrifice your form. Sacrificing form could risk injury, okay? We don't want that. set. Let's go. Great work. So here's the last exercise of the perfect fat burning workout. So we're gonna actually do our pulling motion, which is bent over rows. You use dumbbells. I'm gonna use kettlebells. If you have a band, you can use a band. There's many different ways you can do a bent over row. So turn for the side so you guys can see. Full extension. 5 reps. Let's go. Focus on perfect reps, guys. Great work, great work. Guys, I want to make you still, when you still do your bent over rows, always keep that arch. Hold for 1 second, pause at the top, release. Now when you're pausing at the top, it's okay to squeeze that muscle a little bit, especially if we're working with lighter weight. Just squeeze the muscle at the top. Pause for 1 second. Get some good quality reps in, okay? It's all about quality. Let's go ahead, hop in it again. Great work, guys, great work. So this is a good workout for beginners. We're not using a whole lot of weight. We're using lightweight, decent amount of reps where you still get a workout in, but you're not killing yourself at the same time. So it's a great way to break yourself in. We'll just go ahead and get started. All right, last set. So guys, that was our perfect workout for fat burning. So go ahead, subscribe to the YouTube channel for more free workouts. We also are available in the Apple App Store and in the Google Play Store. Just type in Couch Potato Fit, F-I-T. The link is in my bio. Make sure you subscribe, share, download, tell your friends and family. Couch Potato, get fit.